Let's talk about the latest launched XSMART smartphone Nova 5. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.51 inches HD plus waterdrop notch display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with 13 megapixel triple camera setup on the rear. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording support on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 2 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The color options orange, blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The XSMART Nova 5 has been priced in Pakistan for 2 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 19,499 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this XSMART Nova 5 smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.